Welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe and I talk about all things spiritual. If you're not familiar with my channel, I talk about numerology, astrology, hopefully in the future, crystal healing, tarot, and many more spiritual subjects. Before we jump into the video, it is important to remember zodiac signs offer general tendencies and characteristics. A single zodiac sign doesn't define you. It's specifically energy, and although you may be a Taurus rising, Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, I guarantee that you are actually a multitude of signs. Now, if you are a Taurus, Sun, Moon, rising, Venus, and Mars, like, oh my gosh, wow. But most people aren't all Taurian. Most people are or have different signs in their birth chart playing a part into who they are. With that being said, there is also free will. This video is strictly to inform the challenges and negative qualities of the Taurus archetype. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Not everyone born under the Taurus zodiac sign or people who have Taurus energy will relate to every single negative quality I'm going to go over today. Still, even if you find that you do relate to these negative qualities, they shouldn't be seen as negative. They should be seen as areas for development and growth. Now, with that in mind, here are some potential negative qualities, challenges, and life lessons for the zodiac sign Taurus. Number 1, stubbornness. Taurus energy is fixed by nature. There are 3 modes in astrology, and that's mutable, fixed, and cardinal. I'm not going to get into the mutable or the cardinal in this video just because this is strictly the negative qualities of Taurus. Taurus individuals are fixed by nature. They have fixed energy. All the fixed signs are stubborn. They are usually very determined, stubborn. They see things through to the end, like they finish projects. Usually, this is an energy that I'm talking about. So just take that with a grain of salt. Taurus individuals are stubborn. They are known for their strong will and their determination, which can lead to stubbornness and a resistance to change. They may have difficulty adapting to new situations, new circumstances, new people, places, or things, and may even have a difficulty considering other viewpoints. Number 2, possessiveness. Taurus individuals can be very possessive, both in terms of material possessions and relationships. They have a tendency to hold on to things. They struggle with letting go of things, and they struggle with sharing. They can be quite greedy, which can put a strain on their personal relationships. Number 3, materialistic tendencies. Taurus individuals strongly desire material comforts and tend to be overly focused on accumulating wealth and possessions. This can cause them to neglect the emotional or spiritual aspects of their life, being more material, physical world oriented. Number 4, resistance to change. Taurus individuals may have a preference for stability and routine, making it challenging for them to embrace change or take risks. They may resist new experience and be hesitant to leave their comfort zones. Number 5, inflexibility. Due to their fixed nature, Taurus individuals may have a difficulty adjusting their plans, changing their plans, or accepting alternate approaches. They can be very rigid in their thinking and prefer familiar things. They prefer what's familiar to them, what they know, or what they like, or what they're interested in. Number 6, indulgence. Taurus individuals, especially when they're struggling, but sometimes even when they're not struggling, they tend to indulge in life's pleasures, such as things that feel good to your senses, food, mainly food. Also leisure activities and drinks as well. This can lead to overindulgence and a lack of moderation, impacting their overall well-being. It's good to be moderate in things that you indulge in, whether it's sleep, whether it's food, whether it's TV, whether it's smoking, whatever it is, drinking. It's okay as long as you're moderate about it. I just want to say that. Number 7, possessiveness. Taurus individuals can become possessive and overly attached in their close relationships, which can lead to jealousy or controlling behavior. This can hinder personal growth, and developing relationships can also be hindered. Number 8, laziness or inertia, a nicer way to put it. Taurus individuals have a reputation for enjoying relaxation and comfort. While this can be positive in regards to self-care, if not moderately controlled, it can also lead to a tendency towards laziness. They may refrain from engaging in physical or mental activities that require effort or motivation, which leads to stagnation or is caused by stagnation and can lead to missed opportunities as well. Number 9, materialistic tendencies. Taurus individuals strongly desire material comforts and can become overly focused on accumulating wealth or possessions. This can lead to a neglect in emotional or spiritual aspects of life, or even a possibility to hoard things. My grandma, she has a Taurus moon. She's very earthy. She's a Capricorn rising, Virgo sun, Taurus moon. Her top 3 are earth. But her Taurus moon, that's what I associate what I'm about to tell you with. She hoards things, and she's not like a nasty hoarder. That's not what I'm trying to say. She hoards jewelry and clothes and things like that, books even, things she doesn't need and doesn't use. She'll hold on to, like resistant to let go of it. Like she emotionally needs these things, these materialistic things. She knows she can't take them with her when she passes, when she isn't here anymore, but for some reason she just holds on to them. It's like, Grandma, really? Like, she's literally moving and I'm like, there's like 100 magazines, right? And I'm like, oh my God, Grandma, you don't need these magazines. She's like, yes, I do. And I'm like, no, you don't. Like, they're magazines. Like, what? Like, why do you have magazines? Like, who? I don't even know. But she does that, and that's proof that is a Taurus thing, because your moon is your emotions. And when Taurus moon individuals are emotionally off, they tend to indulge in things or hoard things. I feel like emotionally okay. One more thing before we move on. She is very fond of nice things, expensive things, tasteful things. And in her younger days, in her younger years, she did have a problem with alcoholism. And I know another Taurus individual, well, multiple Tauruses that I know have problems with drugs or alcohol. Just be wary of that. Challenges and life lessons for Taurus could include cultivating openness to change and becoming more flexible, recognizing the value of experiences and personal growth over material possessions and accumulations. Learning how to let go and to trust in God, trust in Source, trust in the universe, trust in the process. Practicing moderation and self-control, self-discipline to avoid excessive indulgence embracing new perspectives, and considering alternate viewpoints. Balancing stability and routine with a willingness to explore new opportunity. Cultivating a sense of detachment from people or things, and letting go of possessiveness in material comforts and relationships as well. Learning to find joy beyond material comforts, beyond the luxuries of life. I said this in my Taurian archetype video, but Tauruses remind me of trees. That's kind of what you want to be like, a tree, and just be. Remember, these qualities and challenges, these life lessons are meant to bring self-awareness and understanding and to help you grow as a person. They should be seen as areas for growth and personal development. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are still with me, please drop me a purple heart in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to hear your opinions on this video. I would love to hear your recommendations for future videos. I would love to hear your story. So please comment down below and share with me what you thought of this video. If this video resonated with you, I would love to hear from you guys. Like this video if it resonated. Share it with your fellow Taurian friend, and subscribe if you would like to see more content from me. I love you all so very, very much, and I hope you have a blessed day and week and year and every day of your life. Bye.